Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Civil Softwares, where you can learn all the softwares related to civil engineering. If you are new to this channel, so please consider subscribing. So let's get started. Well guys, today I'm going to show you how to trim and extend a line. Okay, now for example, I'll remove the grid mode. I am not comfortable with it. Okay, for example, let us take a rectangle. Just for example guys, draw a rectangle of any size and take a line, switch on the ortho mode, draw another line. See here guys, you don't want this another extra line, so you want to trim that line. You have two ways to trim that line. The first one is press TR and press enter. You will be getting into trim command. Then press enter again. Then select the object you wanted to trim. Now the line is erased. Press escape to come out of the trim command. And if you want to extend the line till this, and guys, when you want to extend the line, make sure you have the end point at the end. Okay, the first way is press EX in the command line, press enter. You will be getting into the extend command and press enter again. Then select the line which you want to extend. You have extended the line till this. Okay, let me repeat this one. So the another way for trimming is, see here guys, here you got the trim command. Press this one and press enter again. Now select the object you want to erase. That's it guys. Now extend guys. Here only guys, there is extend. Press enter again and select the line which you want to extend. That's it guys, that's it about the trim and extend. When you extend, make sure you have the end point. That's it about the trim and extend guys. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you guys.